To other news now, Kenya Power has implemented a rapid result initiative that will see accelerated meter installation for new connections and replacement of faulty meters after they received over 300,000 new meters that had been delayed due to a pending court case of a procurement. Now, the managing director, Dr. Joseph Siror, regretted that the legal issues had led to the difficulties in serving customers promptly due to the lack of materials. The initiative, which began this week, has already installed 10,759 meters as part of the efforts to clear the backlog of new connections.
We've had about 5 litigations which were dealing with the issue of stopping certain procurements, and when the courts went through all the documents, what we presented and what those who had gone to court presented, they ruled in our favor that we are surmounting most of these challenges and materials have started trickling in. Indeed, I think this past week we received 320,000 meters, and we know that we are going to cover all the backlog in terms of the new connections. We are going also to cover even the replace all the faulty meters.